Welcome back, students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a pattern of squares. As you could see here, I had made 4 squares and it's very easy to make all these 4 squares and with the help of only one sprite. So how to do that? Firstly, I'll show you how I had made it. Suppose I'll run this command. So if I'll run this, you could see here 4 squares, 4 different squares, colorful squares are being made. So now directly I'll take you to the coding part. So specifically I made this coding on my mobile because many students are saying we are having problem to make the coding, or in my mobile Scratch is not working. So only to show them I had made all this coding on my mobile. I am using online Scratch editor. Okay, so first of all I have to see my blocks, and in my block already the pen command is present. You could see here the pen command, but when you will open it the pen command is not there. So in that scenario you will click here and from here you will insert the pen command, so that you already know. So after that, firstly I'll go to my events, and from event I'll select when clicked. I'll just place it. After this I'll go to my pen block, and from the pen block I'll use erase all command. I have already explained you the use of erase all. Still, if you are new to my tutorial, you can go back to my other tutorials where I have taught how to make a triangle square. So there I have already explained you the use of erase all, because it erases all the previous things drawn with the help of pen. So after erase all, I want to use pen down command. So here is the pen down command. I'll just drag it here, because with the help of pen down command only you can draw the lines. So afterwards I'll go to my control, and from here I want to use repeat command. So here is the repeat command. I'll just drag it here, because repeat command I want to use 4 times, because my square will be of 4 sides inside this. So it is like this, my commands are like this. Now I want to use motion block. In my motion block you could see here move command and then turn command, because you know that square it's of 90 degree. This command here actually when we have to turn, so there are 2 commands: turn forward position, turn backward position. So I have used backward position, so I'll use it here 90 degree. So here is my sprite. I'll make it in direction to 90 degree. So I'll make it to 90. So now I'll try my command here. You could see here I can easily make 1 square, but I have to make pattern of squares, 4 squares. That means till here I am right with all my commands. One thing more, to make it colorful I can just use change pen color. This command I can just insert it. Here I'll write 40. So if I'll run this command now, a colorful square. Now to make pattern of squares, so what I have to do, I'll just first duplicate these commands. So I'll just press my finger, and from here I'll use my duplicate. I'll click upon this. Yes, now it's duplicated. I'll just place it here. Now in between, after making this square, somehow I want that this sprite should move here. After making a square, because it makes like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, it should move this side, and then after coming here again it should make the square. It should make the square like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So how I'll move it? Simply by inserting move command. So I'll go to motion block here, and from motion block I'll use move command here. It's like this, and here I'll make it to 100 because in my square all sides are of 100 steps. So I'll just use this move command here, and then I'll join this command. So it's like this now. Move 100, and then the same set of commands. Now I'll try it. I'll run this command. You could see here 2 squares are ready. So I hope this much concept is very much clear to you. Firstly, it is making like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then it is moving in front. Then again it is making like this. Now what I want to do, it should again make a square, but now it should go here, and after going here, the first step, it should come down, move back, and then come back. So how I should do that? So I'll do little changes here. There is no need of any move command here. So what I'll do, I'll just firstly duplicate just to save the time. Okay, I've duplicated it. I'll place it here. Now here turn command, you could see here the turn command. This I have to change. So I'll delete this one, and I'll take turn forward. This command, turn forward. So I'll use this command in between. So after using this, I'll make it to 90, and then I'll place it here, and then this also. So it's like this now. Rest is all same. I have not included move command because I have not to make 3 squares in a series. So let's see. I'll just take my sprite in front. So you could see here 3 squares are ready. So it's very simple. Now I have to make the 4th one. So now what I want to do, somehow after making these 3, it should come backwards here, and then it should make the square like this. It's very simple. So again I'll do the same thing. I'll duplicate this. I'll click upon duplicate, place it on the top, and here in between now I have to use the move command. So I've used the move command in between. Here I'll use -100. Why I've used -100? Because from this position I want to move it back. Earlier I have used 100 plus 100 because it was moving forward. Now it is coming backward. So then I'll attach this one. So let's see now. Is it working or not? So I'll click on flag. You could see here it's working. So I hope this tutorial is clear to you. Still, if you find any problem or anything is not clear to you, you can just comment, or you can send personally your query on WhatsApp. So I am closing my tutorial. Till then, bye.